We have just acquired this absolutely lovely Ford Focus Zetec S diesel. It's got the upgraded appearance pack too, with upgraded alloy wheels on it. They will be finished in anthracite. We're just going to have those done. It's a very high level of specification. You've got rear park distance control, full Zetec S body kit with high level rear spoiler and rear diffuser. It's got factory satellite navigation, reverse camera, sync, USB, lovely interior. The car does not drive or look like the miles in any way, shape or form. Really is a lot of car for the money. Climate controlled air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, as I say, reverse camera, park distance control, full factory satellite navigation. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.